Hello everyone, welcome to Manu Driving School. Today I'm going to talk about very basic things about driving. So today's topic is how to hold your steering wheel. If you're a learner or if you're a beginner, you should know how to hold your steering wheel in proper manner so that you're not going to slip or lose your control over your steering, or you're not going to lock your arms while you're going to perform turns. So here you go guys, let's get started. So you can see right now my wheel is straight. So the best position to hold your steering wheel is keep your hand position to 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock with thumbs up. I'll discuss about thumbs up as well, but yeah, this should be your position. And if you think, okay, this is not very comfortable to you as a learner, again, you can always move your hands to 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock with your fingers under your steering and thumbs up. When we keep our thumbs up, this gives us a kind of grip. And if you can see, I'm going to perform a right hand turn now here. So if I'm going to turn, my hands can come till here. My left hand can come around 1 o'clock and right hand can go around 6 o'clock. And after that, I can always swap my hand, bring my right hand back here and left hand goes back immediately. Never try to lock your hands like this. This is not a good position, guys. So I was like this, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I just moved half of my steering and immediately I moved my hands here and I keep on turning. Again, once you get experience, once you have a good experience of driving, you can always hold the steering the way you want. Like you can keep your hands here, you can keep your hands 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But I personally do not recommend you to keep your hands like this, because when you're going to perform right hand turn, you will always struggle. You can see how my hands are getting tangled and I won't have a good control. Coming back to thumbs up technique, guys, if you lock your hand like this, a lot of people hold, especially new learners, because they get a bit nervous, so they hold their steering very tight, which is not the right way. So if you lock your hands like this, you can see how my thumbs have gone underneath of my finger. So by the time I need to lift this hand, I might take some extra second, because my hand is fully, my thumb is underneath my fingers, which is taking some extra second to leave the hand and bring it here. Whereas when my fingers are here and my thumb is like this, thumbs is up, I move and it helps me to go straight here. And whenever you're going to swap your hand, make sure you hold your steering with good grip. Do not let it slip. Keep watching our YouTube channel, guys. I'll keep sharing some basic information about the driving and things that can make you a better driver in your life. Thank you so much and have a good day.